Where are you going? Well, due to the unbelievable conditions and standards of society, at least where we live, I have chosen to become a rambling vagabond, I think. You know what? No, I know. I would rather reside under bridges and eat cat food than accept this air-conditioned internment. So yeah, I might die from stomach cancer from eating nothing but canned beans and expired processed frozen microwavables, but you're gonna die from cancer too, even if you jog and think highly of broccoli. So fuck you. I hate y'all. Except for you, Jerry. I know that you have kids and you have to play out this truly psychologically horrific scenario for the betterment of your children. But other than that, fuck all y'all. I hate y'all. Jerry, you're cool. I'm out.